Hello, this is a quick guide on how to use the practice tests for your AI Audit Exam Prep. Go to rookcloud.com and you can try the quick demo to get a feel of how the questions and the explanations have been designed, or you can click on the buy or access button. We have tried to keep the interface as clean and simple as possible. And all the features on the website will work on desktops, laptops, tablets or mobiles through a normal browser. So no specific app is required. You can just log in and practice from anywhere on any convenient device. That said, we do recommend that for the full-length tests, which have 90 questions, you should take them on a laptop or a desktop, which is what you will be using at the testing center. And while using a bigger screen, you can also close the side navigation panels so that you can use the full screen to read the questions, answer options, and the explanations easily. This practice test will have over 2000 questions covering all the 55 topics across the 3 domains. Before you start using the practice questions, purchase a copy of the official manual. After reading through each topic in the manual, take the corresponding test on the specific topic on RookCloud. Now the number of questions in each topic will depend on its complexity. Some topics have just around 15 to 20 questions, whereas others will have more than 60 questions. But on an average, around 40 questions per topic into 55 topics, so that works out to 2000 plus questions. The topic-wise tests will have anywhere between 3 to 10 questions in every attempt. Again, depending on the complexity of the topic and the number of important concepts to be covered. In the topic tests, you can check the correct answer after answering every question by clicking on this check answer button. Or you can check all the answers and the explanations after you have completed the entire test. To help you understand which topics you should focus on, there are 2 simple tools. On the course main page, you will see this tracker tab. Click on it and you will see this performance tracker. Now this tracks what has been your average score across each of your attempts in all the 55 section tests. After you complete one round of tests from topics 1 to 55, take a look at the tracker. This green line is the 80% mark. Wherever you are averaging more than 80%, you are doing okay. So focus more on the reds and the ambers. Just mouse over on the bar and the pop-up will tell you what is that specific topic and what was your average score as a percent. If you scroll down on the same tracker page, you will see this table which has links for each topic, which will take you to the specific test attempts review page. If you have attempted a test only once, then you will not see any graphs because at least 2 attempts will be required. After you complete all the 3 attempts, you will see something like this. It shows your marks and the time taken in each of the 3 attempts and what is your overall score trend in the topic. And this graph will also show you if there is a correlation between the time that you took to answer and your scores. There are also review links for each attempt, and when you click on the link, you will go back to the review page where you can review the questions from your previous attempts. Each question can touch upon multiple topics or concepts which are mentioned at the top. Then there will be a justification for the correct answer and then the justifications for the incorrect answers. Read all of them because you will understand why your answer is correct. And also the incorrect answers for one question will be the correct answer in another. So read the justifications for the incorrect options as well. While you will see only one test link for each topic, these tests are auto-generated by the system, which will randomly pick up questions from the database, which means that in every attempt, you should see a different set of questions. There will be some repetition for smaller topics, which have fewer questions in the database, but not so much for the larger topics, which have more number of questions. And even when any questions are repeated, the order of the answer options is always shuffled randomly for better practice. There are 3 types of questions for each topic: definition type and scenario based, which will have just one correct answer, and multiple correct options type, where you have to choose the best from among multiple correct answers. As I have explained in my other video, ISACA exam questions are written by various SMEs from across the world, because ISACA periodically calls for questions to be submitted. So it is not necessary that all the questions in the exam will be limited to what is given in the official manual. The official manual may be updated once in a year or so, whereas the developments in the field of AI would have outpaced the manual. Since the SMEs are more closer to these developments, the questions they would have submitted will be more closer to the current state of the industry. So the questions in the RookCloud database will be routinely edited, added and deleted to keep them relevant. Some questions are based on the manual, some are based on various white papers, some are based on audit frameworks and advisories published by various industry bodies. So all the topics in the syllabus are covered, but from different sources. Once you are done with the topic-wise practice, you can take the full-length tests. There are 10 full-length tests, and each test can be attempted once. So attempt these tests after you are done with the section tests. Take these full-length tests in exam conditions and get used to sitting in one place and staying focused for long periods of time. There will be 90 questions in each test, and you will need anywhere between 1 hour to 2 hours to answer all the questions, depending on your knowledge of the topics. But officially, you have 2.5 hours or 150 minutes to cover the entire exam. In the full-length tests, you will not see the check answer button, which means that you will have to complete the entire test to see the answers and the explanations. Take the full-length test on a Saturday or a Sunday when you can finish it in one sitting. After you complete a full-length test, you will see your domain-wise performance in that specific test. You should read all the explanations for all the questions before taking the next test. To summarize, this is a fairly straightforward certification, and all the topics in the syllabus are also very interesting and relevant. So read the manual, practice all the questions, and you will do well in the exam. Go ahead and take the demo test at roocloud.com. If you have any questions or feedback, you can post it in the comments, and you can also email us at hello@roocloud.com. I will see you soon in the next video.